Hi. I'm Jess. I'm a postdoctoral training fellow at the Institute of Cancer Research, and I'm looking at radiotherapy and immunotherapies in cancer.
My name is Eva, and I'm a research study coordinator at the Institute of Cancer Research. I manage clinical trials in prostate cancer.
At 16, I knew that I really loved biology, but I knew that I didn't want to be a doctor. I came across a biomedical science degree to really understand medicine and disease. Now as a postdoc, I can ask these really big questions and hopefully improve treatments for people with cancer going forward.
My journey for cancer research started during a work experience program that I did at Queen Mary University of London, and that involved working with a research lab that specialized in testing new drug compounds in multiple cancer cell lines.
A typical day for me looks like coming into the lab, checking that my cells are growing as they should be, and that everything looks happy and I can add anything to these tumour cells if I need to. We want to look for new treatments that are different to the conventional methods that are used in order to improve treatment outcomes and treatment options for patients.
So on a typical day, I could be that I have to address key emails in my inbox, and then I have to liaise with hospitals and GP practices to keep in touch of how their recruitment is going. Part of my role, I manage some members of staff, so I have to have meetings with them and keep in touch with their projects.
I chose cancer research as my field because I think it's an area that's really fascinating to be in. You can always ask more questions, you can never get bored, and I'm somebody who's always asking why.
Being that I started off my career as a scientist in the lab, and now that I'm managing clinical trials, I find that it's like a link from the lab to the participants or the patients. It's like bench to bedside, and it's humbling to see the impact of our work.
During my PhD, I met people from the ICR at several conferences and spoke to them about their research and saw that the research going on at the ICR was so groundbreaking and really fascinating. So when a job opportunity came up at the ICR looking at radiotherapy and immunotherapy and stuff that I was interested in, I jumped at the chance.
I always knew about the ICR during my time at university, but I wanted to explore working at other places before I made the connection back to the ICR. It feels like being at home here.
I would say that if you're considering a career in cancer research, then you should absolutely go for it. It's such a fascinating area. You will always stay interested, you've got so many questions to ask, and you'll always discover something new, and you can really help with the treatments of tomorrow.
In my pathway, which was a plan B, I discovered cancer research almost by chance, and now it has become my passion. In cancer research, there is a place for everyone. It is a diverse field. There are so many areas of research to explore, and every contribution matters.